guys, my name is Minahil Urooj and I run a blog with the name Foodize. Since I love food, today I'll be doing a collaboration with Opa Fries and Scary Yummies to do their 10 Ways to Opa It challenge. Today I'll be making Alfredo fries with the original Opa fries, which is the purple bag. The recipe I'm going to make today will have these ingredients, which are ghee, flour, milk, salt, pepper, jalapenos, olives, mozzarella cheese, garlic paste, cheddar cheese and a chicken fillet which is already marinated. This is the dish I came up with and it's super easy to make. I hope you try it at home and you'll enjoy making it as well as eating it. This is very cheesy and very yummy. I hope you guys like it.